Hi there, how are you? Good evening, 3:35 by the watch. I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. And it's only a midweek. So first of all, cheers on a lovely black coffee. The first cup in a day after a break, because of various reasons and stuff. So, what brings me on social media and what is it that I'm sharing today? I had shared in last couple of videos that I will be doing some light talk and stuff, but this read instantly happened to kind of appear before me and stuff because, like a lot of other people, Sunday was the day when I wanted to be in the church to pray and stuff and all that, and I also follow Buddhism. Plus, I do some other prayers and stuff like that. So this article just opened up, and I was, kind of contemplating and wondering. Some of my prayers have not got answered, and like many other people, I was like, when is this going to get answered? Okay. So what happens is that when you're on the road of kind of wanting to make things happen, you all have your own vision or your own dreams or your own goals or your own purpose or something which you want to do. So it doesn't have to be always around work. It can be personal as well, around fitness and health and everything. So this is a beautiful read which happened to open up before me. So I'm doing a quick share on this because it may also kind of give hope to people to understand that sometimes when you're praying for something, it may not happen, and the dream may not even take shape, or what you're praying for may not even kind of take off or whatever, but something else will. Okay, so if you remember the movie Mr. Morgan Freeman and Jim Carrey, and there was this movie where he had this opportunity to be God. So God reversed his role, and Jim Carrey was checking out the mails and emails and everything, and all that he found was endless complaints and endless issues and persistent problems of people and stuff. And so he's having a conversation with God, and God is like, you think there's only appreciation coming in and stuff. You're complaining so much about your job, you complain so much about your relationships, you complain so much about your children, what's wrong with the world and stuff. So why don't you ever kind of take a look at the blessings that you have instead and stuff. Okay, so he says so let me read it out to you. So he says God comes his way and says there's no instruction manual with prayers, but if you were to focus on your blessings, you would be happier. And there have been many instances where people have prayed to me and asked for something, but that's not been granted. And later on date, they understand and realize that what they were receiving as a wish or what they were praying for was not good for them at all. So there's a beautiful correlation with the mother allow the child to have poison, or the child may not realize this, but when a child is throwing a tantrum or whatever, the mother is eventually trying to do the best. So most mothers do